Moments after the World War II, I'm back in action. Iran from 1980 has a microphone. What? You're speaking in Persian, man! Indicating that there's something going on with the world. Can you please stop speaking nonsense? Oh my god. He's riding a motorcycle with our Iraq. Alright. Oh my god. This is so much nonsense right now. No! I am bleeding! Oh. Nova Aurora Pena Brazil, mocked by me. Brazil. It's Brito Senato. Oh my. Denmark. You must eat the nuggies, said himself. I guess. Republic of Kenyan. This is so fake! Not the mouth. Not the BFDI mouth. Alright. Oh my god. Oh. Oman. What's that? Don't scream, young man. Russia. Oh my god. Wait a minute. I saw something! Vietnam is completely scared for his actions. Russia has something to do. And then he bombs Vietnam and himself into the skies. While Vietnam is only safe, flying into the clouds. Just like he's about to fly into Earth, or maybe because he has some serious problems with his actions, or maybe he just probably scared himself, or what. He is still flying, like with Macedonia, except the fact that Vietnam is scared. Settle aboard. My computer ran into a problem. Okay. I get it now! Alright, Japan from 1945. It looks poorly drawn. Come on, move on. Armenia from... Alright, Azerbaijan... Oh. Great Silver Alert. Okay. Melbourne. Sounds worse than a police siren. Nuvile Esprita, Venezuela. Move on, please. Chad. Copying Romania. And for the United States and Guinea-Bissau. Even including Romania, I guess. Saint Bartholomew. Do you mean Bart Simpson from The Simpsons? Alright. American Samoa. It's a slow and low pitch version of the Nigeria ESLM. However, Nigeria doesn't appear. It's most likely a confusion or error. Uzbekistan fell down the stairs and went into the classroom with Tajikistan, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Afghanistan, and Kazakhstan. Uzbekistan just fell down the stairs and he landed into a house somewhere. If you zoom in really close, you can see there's Netherlands over there. Man, Netherlands is quite far away. Man, one of the countries from Central Asia looks worried. Gabon. Cape Verde. Israel was like, you monster! Oh my god. Brunei. Sorry. Alright. Tuvalu alert. Morocco. Zooming in, zooming out because of his actions around him. Morocco. Hang on, that's Nigeria! San Marino. Oh my god. Oh, Singapore. All clear signal. Ukraine and Russia, America, Sweden, China, and Switzerland. Teleported somewhere. I guess. What is Switzerland going to do? kill Singapore, or maybe he would interact with him, or worse, possibly kill him by mistake. Nova Aurora Panama. Parana. Oh my god. Please. Can we please move on? Come on. Please stop. Oh my god. Alright, hang on a minute. Turn into Kiribati. Papua New Guinea is completely terrified. Meanwhile, Germany is talking trash to Papua New Guinea because of stealing his EAS alarm. For other reason. Oh my god. Make it stop. Germany, you have like an aggressive behavior. Guam is up next. America, where are you? Palau. Died by mistake. This looks like a ghost version of Japan, Bangladesh, and Palau. Oh my god. Bedfordshire, United Kingdom, it's a custom one. Or maybe. Come on, man. Alright. Peninsula, Florida. Oh my god. Just disappeared by mistake. Roasting him. Antigua and Barbuda. Okay. And got killed by Barbados. I guess. You died. You died for Barbados. California is like screaming at the top of his lungs. Probably because he might have forgot his keys, or maybe he done something foolish to himself. For his actions, apparently for him, according to him, he seems to be a stupidity character, or maybe, actually, he is like a complete scaredy cat. Like OGGY from Augie and the Cockroaches. Another one appears. Okay, move on, please. Can we please move on? I'm sick and tired of this bullcrap. Come on, man. I'm not wasting any time here. Oh, Uruguay ALT on a train. Come on. Chugga, 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 chugga. North Alaska. Oh, Belgium. I thought he was portrayed to be a ghost. Black hole, again. Why does he have a black hole mouth? This is super duper uncanny. This is so uncanny, you guys. Okay, move on. Super duper uncanny. But this one seems to be canny. Alright. Herd Island and McDonald's Island. Oh my god! 3D! 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, Yemen. TV alert mark. Hey, what's going on? Oh my god, he's duplicating himself! He's duplicating himself! He's duplicating himself! Oh. The European Union. Okay. I get it. I see the point what it is. You little Nigeria! Oh my god! 15 frames per second, huh? Marshall Islands, what are you doing here? Greenland Blood Moon. I have a complete fear of blood because they traumatized me for no reason. Greenland was like, what the heck? I mean, yeah. I mostly say, what the hell? Because I know the word hell seems to be adultish. Anyways, Greenland is looking at a phone. He's probably becoming foolish to himself, or maybe he might have done something wrong to him. There is Me Phone, like from Inanimate Insanity. It looks similar to Me Phone, to be honest. Made by Adam Katz, the creator of Animan Insanity. It's also known as Animation Epic, Mexico. Mexico's over there, along with the United States of America. Get out of the United States! You're not supposed to be here! What was that? The USA again. Same thing you did from Mexico. Your USA ran into a problem. Same thing. What was that? Canada? Oh, it looks like she has found something. A green button? She was like, oh, a green button! She only has one arm. Wait. Actually, that is just eatable, I guess. That's not even a green button at all, Canada. It's just an eatable thing, I guess. USA was like, hey, what did you do? And Canada was like, duh, what are you gonna do about it? However, Canada was surprised and then she disappears. Wow. That was completely fatal. Chili's up next. Covering his ears. How come Canada just disappeared straight away? We're experiencing technical difficulties. We'll fix that later.